Hi guys, welcome back to our channel High Tech Group. My name is Raman Sharma and today I've brought a property which is in 500 square yards and the location is DLF Phase 3. Those clients who are moving from Delhi and their business is in Delhi only, then I would recommend DLF Phase 3. It's one of the posh areas and this location as well as the property is also very good with amazing interiors done. So the flooring that you will be getting with this floor is of Italian marble. The builder has provided Italian marble in the living area, dining area, kitchen, drawing area and in 2 rooms, and in other 2 rooms wooden flooring has been provided. Now let's start the virtual tour of this property with the drawing area. So the builder has provided partition with the dining area and the drawing area. As the floor is of 500 square yards, so each and every space has been utilized. So the interior that you will be getting with this floor is very sleek and classy. This is a proper wooden paneling has been used. So the drawing area and the 2 rooms has been connected with the front balcony. As you can see the quality construction, आप जब भी किसी भी फ्लोर में जाते होगे और ऐसे टाइप की अगर विंडोज़ है तो आप कभी भी जाओगे तो दरवाज़े को हिलाओगे तो ये जो दरवाज़ा ये पूरा हिल जाता है अगर आप अभी देखोगे. So this is the quality construction that has been used. As we took exit from the drawing area, we enter into the first room. So as I told you before, the first room is also connected with the front balcony. The size of each room, including the drawing room, is very spacious. The main USP of this floor is that each room has different kind of interiors and the interiors are very classy. This is the connected washroom of the first room and this is the storage space. So the fittings that you will be getting with this floor is of Kohler company. This is the proper partition provided by the builder, and on the left hand side is the storage space and this is the LED mirror. The size of the washroom is also very nice. As we take exit from the first room, now we are entering into the second room. The second room is also connected with the front balcony. So this is very nice that each room of this floor is connected with the balcony. I think so as compared to the first room, the size of this room is very spacious. In this you will be getting a proper Italian marble and the interior is also very nice. As we move this side, this is the washroom that has been attached with the second room. This is the storage space on both the sides and the interior of the washroom is also different than the first one. As compared to the first washroom, the size of the second washroom is very spacious. This is the powder room and the powder room is not connected with any of the rooms. Mostly क्या होता है कि जो powder room होता है किसी न किसी room से connected होता है तो वो common washroom बन जाता है. This powder room is specifically for the drawing and the dining area. So now we have entered into the dining area. There is a huge space of the dining area. You can use this space as a living area also. You can put your sofa. This space can be utilized very easily. On the left hand side, this is the shaft area and the builder has provided profile lighting on the ceiling. So now we are heading towards the open kitchen. The kitchen is totally modular. Actually, it depends client to client. Some clients like open kitchen, some don't. So what you can do here, you can build a partition over here so the things can be modified according to your preferences. So let's see the modular kitchen. So on the right hand side, this is the space for the refrigerator. You will be getting hob and chimney with the floor. The hob and chimney is about to get installed. This is a soft close. On the right hand side, this is the washing area. In this kitchen, there is enough proper storage space. This is also a dishwashing area. So the kitchen is also connected with the back balcony. You have gate on both the sides, so it totally depends on you from which gate you want to get out. So the other 2 rooms are also connected with the back balcony. Kitchen is in the center and you have rooms on both the sides. So let's start the tour of the third room. So the third room is also very spacious and you will be getting a very good and classy design. The washroom of this room is very nice. As we move towards this side, you will be getting storage space on both the sides, and now we enter into the washroom. So the size of the vanity is very nice. This is the bathing area. There is a proper glass partition, and on the right side it's the sitting area. As I took exit from the third room, now we are entering into the fourth room. I think so this room has one of the best interiors as comparison to the all rooms. The builder has provided wooden flooring in this room. and this is the washroom that is connected with the 4th room. So the size of the washroom is also very nice. I think so you can say this is the master bedroom, and on the right hand side this is the storage space, and the size of the vanity is also very good. The partition is about to get installed in this washroom. So this room is also connected with the back balcony. Let me show you. So this is the back balcony, then comes the kitchen, and then comes the 3rd room. So each room is connected with the balcony. Hi guys, I hope you have a lovely tour of this property. If you want to visit this property, then you can contact us at 8929028000. In case if you're looking out for some other options in different size, different budget, different preferences, then no need to worry. We deal all over Gurgaon. Then please contact us at 8929028000. Please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to the channel Hitech Group. In case अगर आपके family members या आपके friends and family में से कोई भी है who is searching out options in Gurgaon, then please recommend our company to them. It will be a very great thing to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel Hitech Group. This is Raman Sharma signing off. Take care. Bye. We'll be uploading these kinds of videos each and every week. So please like this video and thank you so much for watching. This is Raman Sharma signing off. Bye.